I know we all need money quick, and I have a way where you can make money in 30 seconds time. Yes, as little as 30 seconds. Imagine spending 1 hour but getting paid every 30 seconds. That's equal to making a staggering $600 per hour. Wow, right? But hey, you have to make sure you listen to my videos carefully. Follow each step, and with this tutorial, you will make enough money as little time as possible. Before we begin, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified for such videos in the future. Now, I welcome you to Money Heist. Let me be very honest, I have tried this method, and when something works for me, I say it worked like a charm. This idea worked for me, so I will guide you how I managed to make money online using this amazing method. Now, I know we spend our time on Facebook and Instagram viewing pictures online and not getting paid. This method is super easy and fun. Plus, this will pay you very well too. Of course, this is a passive income. I would still advise you that you should use this extra money to invest in something to earn a substantial amount. Now, not many people know about this platform, but this platform accepts people from around the globe. Plus, it's super easy to earn from here because all you need is a smartphone, and of course, the more images you view, the more money you will make. You can cash out as little as $5, and it allows cashing out weekly. I'm going to cover everything in this video, so please pay attention to what I will say. The link to the platform is given below, so I want you to go ahead and click it open. Now, there are tons of ways to make money on this platform. Some sound very difficult and some are particularly very easy, but we will still concentrate on making money from viewing the images. So let's dive in on how we can do that. First thing to do is to sign up to this platform. Don't worry, just sign up. You can easily do that by connecting to Facebook or even Google, if you feel comfortable, that is. The next thing you want to do is to log into your dashboard and then start taking tasks, which is viewing the images. Now, after signing up, you don't need to look at any images, spend hours doing that. You can easily come down and click on refer a friend and share it to social media platform you desire. The more you invite, the more chances of making bonus on this platform. You might end up earning as much as $200 a day. This sounds really great, but hey, you want to earn more by looking at images, which I believe is really fun way to earning money. Now, on your dashboard, click Start Task, and this will take you to the page with all the tasks that you can currently do to start making money. The list will have different tasks such as video polygon tasks, text collection tasks, and image annotation tasks. On the same page, on the same list, on the far right, you will see the payouts, which is exactly how much you got paid for each of these tasks. Since you will have a new account, you won't be getting paid much per second because the older and much experienced accounts get paid more. Keep doing the task and keep making money, as simple as that. There's no rocket science to it, but remember, the more tasks you do, the more money you will make. And as time passes, they will pay you more for being an older account. Besides, I have shown you another way to make money on this platform. They will give you a bunch of images to look at and analyze them. It's simple as drawing boxes on them. Literally, find the items on the images by drawing boxes. And it is so simple, this is how you will get paid. Make sure to draw perfect shape box, making sure that the item is inside the box on the image. Companies are working to recognize objects for AI recognition. You know what AI means, right? AI is artificial intelligence. They're paying you because you're helping them make their product. How? You're making the product better by helping the AI recognize objects on the images. How it works is you will be given an image, for instance, of a road with different cars on it. The task would be to find the cars on them. All you have to do is make a box on the cars and voila, you have done the task. This in turn is helping the AI to recognize cars on the road images. I'm not an engineer, so I can't say how does that help, but this helps company to work on their AIs. Plus they're paying you to do so. I think this is one of the easiest ways I've earned money. I believe this will be easier for you too. Now you will have to keep doing that over and over and over again, depending on how many images you were given for that specific task. Steady hands, good keen eye, and align the boxes perfectly on the object means you pass the task and get paid for it. Spend good time on the image, and I promise you, it won't take more than 30 seconds per image. It took me under 20 seconds on average on each image. It is not that difficult, so once you're done, head out to your payout page, cash out to your PayPal account. Invite your friends and view the images, make maximum amount of money as fast as possible. This is the easiest and the fastest way for everyone. Of course, if you feel you can do other tasks, that would be great for you. If you like the video, do give us a like and give us a comment below. Do subscribe to the channel and make sure to click the bell icon to be notified next video I upload. This is it from Money Heist, and I will see you next time.